Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. We out here in the back to the city. We're running non-stop. It's still gonna be hardcore until tomorrow morning.
I'm a cash cow with the cash now. I'ma lash out till I pass out. When I wake up, get the cake up and my rates up. Ain't nobody faking with me, making it seem like it ain't fake. When I got this, I'm a profit, make it profit, make it stop it. But I can't, it's my vibe, it's my life, and I like it, gon' tell 'em. It's my vibe, it's my life, and I like it, gon' tell 'em.
Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. I'm at the back of the city, and you know what? I just caught up with the Mecca Mafia. You know she's forever dropping hits after hits. Where have you been lately?
I've been working on my mixtape. Where have you been?
You know I'm forever working. Back to the city, and you know, if you look next to me, I got the powerhouse, you know, Automatic Gang, you know, it's benchmark. I'm putting it in vendor. I'm vendorizing.
Yeah, that's
you can see that you're putting a lot of work, but what would you like the fans to know that maybe they're not aware of what is happening right now?
I would say the fans already know what's going on because we talk to them every day on social media. And so, but then for those that don't know and are interested in Benchmark, next month we're going to the UK tour. That's Birmingham, London, and some other places you always forget.
You know what, I'm happy. The one thing that I need you guys to do also for us, I get it, to get your music, we kind of struggle at Van Rap Radio. Maybe you have seen that we always tweet your guys when you play your music.
Oh, yeah.
But we still need more of your music that we can put it out there. We need more of that music, and we're happy that you put in more work. Your fans are always happy. I saw that when you just bent the stage, right behind me, you were killing it there.
You know, like in terms of the music right now, the official single that we're pushing is Why I Say. You feel me?
Yeah.
So, pushing Why I Say, the video's gonna come out. We're not gonna drop any more singles from us. But
Maybe I finally caught up with you guys, you know, all the way from Venda just to come and say no. So much.
I've seen you got a homeboy out there that comes from there.
James
Beach.
Yeah, it's my boy. It's my boy. You just ask him your house with number, he will tell you all.
Shout out.
Thank you very much, you know, for your sound, guys.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping to hear more good.
No doubt, man. Shout out to Back to the City, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to Van Radio. Shout out to Hip Hop.
What's good, Malachies? It's the one and only Miss Cat Monroe, aka Young Missy, aka Scary Poppins, because he knows we keep some confidence. I just wanted to say hi.
Yeah, welcome to Van Rap Radio. I see you killing the stage right here. It's like,
Thank you,
set it on
brother.
fire.
I am. Jullie ook de brood die lekker zijn en lotion weer. Dat is too let for my liking.
You heard it what she said here. You must go out there and support. Yeah, we're supporting her. We're playing the music.
Yeah.
And then she just killed the stage, and I'm happy about what I've seen. The name and the Dugan is one of the one and no more money. And I'm with Max and I'm out of here.
Ke botetse go tlasa ka le ka seleweng ke serious smart I'm trying to boost the flow ignorant like a taxi driver I'm here in this hole I'm here in this pole you wanna push man khotsa wa peba scan so sa khonno kham khatla wa peba I don't like your style so I get chogo go ikere ke tsere chogo na ke chogo go ter as a nigga got my bag and I get chogo go ikere. From Northwest to Joburg, we have Mr. Mutswana Mafethu, and the street hustle is out. Get the project. It's Van Rap Radio. Van Rap Radio, baby, the digital voice of SA hip hop. Taking it from Northwest to Venda, from Venda to Joburg. We've got Uzakes, Mama
Yaswakanza Kabatanza Kama flows like ganja Kisotwana Utrashana Kamudimo Khanza Susuko Totita listen Gezi Takanta Xe Utafela Paketela Tupa Ibadredite I've been doing this since from Tuka Excelevati God like a Tuka You know we pay we will kiss a Majimbo Sebailete we Talela Bungwana Bahwelete Lebongozi Bakoka Siba Baete Shift attack ya Pompala Begidi Kahula, Chakabona from live, Gatatamula, Oba this rap game, Kusakuna, Riser, Remus Spacey, Zake Somampe, like Imuri Deiti, Hot Fire like La Khalas for them blazing. Soon enough, Tabumpona spotlight there.
Welcome to the Cypher. Yes. Nabushiro from Latin. Go to the city, sing along this. Nabushiro from breaking your heart. Yeah, where the ladies at? Nabushiro from making you cry. Yes, yes, hey. Nabushiro instead of wearing that shrine. That's it. Down to my side. Let's go. No matter what they say, the greatest thing is going so fast. No matter what they say, the greatest thing is going so fast.
I never say the okay crusader. I got a crazy flow flowing like a mother something that I do. You ain't the moment that be booking you doing you pay so. A fool of us that you be making though I am a rapper. But he's in Mexico, I am a Mexico. I'm finding you ever radically. I am a great creator, the great desire, my balls was on my future is bright. I got the text, I mean got tea. Who got horse, who for the sheep. Sacrifice the everything that you see. See me go back, I come salam. See from the Cabo the way up to ground. I'm sitting till I remember back to the sun. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for motherfucking Delta CPC.
This is Venrap Radio. I'm your boy, Betty T, the fan, the warrior, Betwel Wagatobara for Limpopo Online TV. I'm with my boy Nema Wamahunguni.
Acheche le morao.